Hello students, welcome to the topic matrices. In my last video I discussed types of matrices. I discussed many different types of matrices, and in that last definition is equality of two matrices. In this video I am going to solve the examples on equality of matrices. When two matrices are given equal, and in that matrices if there is any unknown terms, then how to find using the definition of equality, how to find the unknown terms values, that you are going to learn in this video. Let me see the first question. First I am going to take the simple example to understand how to take the equality of elements when two matrices are given equal. Now see the first question. Find the values of x, y and z if matrix 4 3 x 5 is equal to y z 1 5. So in this example you can say that two matrices are given equal, and in this matrices the some elements are unknown here. Okay, that elements value you have to find out. Now let me solve the example. First you take given equation of matrices, that is equality. Okay, 4 3 x 5 is equal to y z 1 5. In this equation, in the first row right side matrix, the both are unknown terms. Now what we have to do here, and these are single terms. Okay, and in the left side uh, in the position of 2 1, that is an unknown, that is x term. Now easily we find the values of x, y, z in this example because of single terms. So here by the definition of equality, always the first term left side and first term right side we are equated, means it should be equal. So we know this one. So therefore using the definition of equality, what we can take, 4 is equal to y, that is y is equal to 4, and in the same way the second position and second position, that is a 1 2 position, and 1 2 position is equated because in the right side 1 2 position it is unknown term. So therefore we equate this 3 to z, that is nothing but we write z equal to 3. Either you can write 3 is equal to z, or 4 equal to y, or y equal to 4, z equal to 3. In any manner you can write the equality here. And in the same way left side matrix, in the left side matrix in the position of 1 2 1, in the position of 2 1 we have x, and in the right side we have one term. In the same position we have 1. So therefore we equate x to this one value. That means we write x equal to 1. Here you can see that very easily we got the value of x, the value of y, and the value of z. And this is the method of equating the elements when equality of two matrices are given. Go for next example. Find the values of x, y and z if matrix x plus y plus z, first element, second row element x plus z, and third row element y plus z, it is equal to first row element 9, second row element 5, and third row element 7. Okay, so this is also very simple example. So first you write a given equation, matrix x plus y plus z, x plus z and y plus z equal to 9 first row, second row 5, third row 7. Now by definition of equality, what we have to equate, this x plus y plus z is taken equal to 9. That is, we equate these two numbers, x plus y plus z, it is equal to 9 we take. You take this as equation 1. In the same way, equate x plus z to 5. That means you have to write x plus z is equal to 5. And take this as equation 2. And in the same way, third element, that is the third row, y plus z is equal to 7. Like this you have to write the using definition of equality. First you have to write the elements like this. You take this as equation 3. And in these equations we don't have single terms, we have addition of terms. So therefore we have to solve these three equations and we have to find out the value of x and value of y and value of z, solving these three equations. Now let me take equation first one. From equation 1 we write x plus y plus z equal to 9. And in this third equation you can see that we have the value of y plus z is given. The addition of y plus z is given, it is equal to 7. So you can make use of this addition in the first equation. Here see that y plus z we have, so you can replace this y plus z from the equation 3 because its value is 7. So replace, you will get x plus y plus z means 7, okay, equal to 9 as it is. And transfer this 7 right side, you will get x is equal to 9 minus 7. So this 9 minus 7 is nothing but 2. So this is the value of x. Now you take the equation 2. So equation 2 is x plus z equal to 5. Now here we have the value of x. So make use of this in this equation, you will get the value of z very easily. See here, x is taken 2. 2 plus z is equal to 5. And transfer to right side, you will get z equal to 5 minus 2. So z is become 3. So next, equation 3, it is y plus z is equal to 7. Now we know the value of z. Okay, now you replace z by 3. Now you will get y plus 3 is equal to 7. And transfer 3 right side, you will get y is equal to 7 minus 3. So y is equal to 4. So here we got the value of x, the value of y, and the value of z. This is the method of solving the matrix equation, and we have to find out the values of unknown terms. Now see the next example. Find the values of x, y and z if matrix x plus y 2, 5 plus z xy is equal to 6, 2, 5, 8. Okay, it is also same technique, same method. So first you write a given equation of matrices, that is x plus y 2, 5 plus z xy is equal to 6, 2, 5, 8. Now by first you write by definition of equality, first equate the elements. Here in this example we have addition of x and y and product of xy and one z term, that is 5 plus z unknown term. Now first I equate by the definition of equality, x plus y to 6. First position, first position. So I write x plus y is equal to 6. And take this as equation 1. And next I am equating this 2 position xy, okay, product xy to 8 number, that is 2 position right side. So xy is equal to 8 and take this as equation 2. And last I equate this single term z, 5 plus z is equal to 5 and take this as equation 3. Now in this third equation, very easily we get the value of z. Let me first simplify this equation. So transfer 5 right side, you will get z equal to 5 minus 5, that is equal to 0 value. So therefore z is equal to 0. So this is the value of z now. Now from equation 1 and 2, you have to find out the value of x and y. Now from equation 1, you transfer x term right side. You can transfer y also, no problem. But here I am transferring x term. So what you will get? Y is equal to 6 minus x. Now use this y term 6 minus x in this second equation. So and simplify, you will get equation in terms of x and easily will get the value of x. So you take this as equation 4. Substitute y in equation 2, we get x into bracket 6 minus x, because y means 6 minus x from the equation 4, okay, equal to 8. So multiplying the bracket, you will get 6x minus x square is equal to 8. So multiplying negative sign, so arrangement of equation here. So I am making this x square positive. So x square minus 6x is equal to minus 8. And this bring minus 8 left side, you will get x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. So finding the factors. So multiplying, you should get 8. Adding, you should get minus 6. You have to find out the two numbers in such a way that multiplying 8 you should get and adding minus 6 you should get. So the numbers are x square minus 4x and minus 2x. That means the numbers are minus 4 and minus 2. When you multiply, you will get plus 8, 4 and minus 4 and minus 2. And when you add, you will get a minus 6. Therefore, this minus 6 is splitted minus 4x and minus 2x. And then plus 8 as it is. You know the method of simplifying a quadratic equation. So the same technique here. And here x is common from these two terms. X is taken outside, so you will get x from the first term minus and then 4, and from the second term you will get minus 2 common into bracket. From the first term it is a x and plus negative is taken common, therefore it become minus and 4 equal to 0. Now again x minus 4 common, it is taken into bracket. So from the first term x we get, and from the second term minus 2. So that means we got x minus 4 into x minus 2 equal to 0. So this implies x minus 4 equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. So this implies x equal to 4 or x equal to 2. So here we got two values of x. One is 4 and one is 2. Now when x is 4, find out the what is the y value you will get, that is from the equation 4. And when x is 2, what is the y value you will get, that you have to find out. So Now from equation 4, it is a y minus 6x. Okay, when x equal to 4, then y is equal to 6 minus, you put x equal to 4 in this x, in this equation. Okay, so y value 2. When x equal to 2, then y is equal to 6 minus 2. In this equation, you put x equal to 2. You will get 6 minus 2. That is y equal to 4. So that means the values of x, y, z are, here you will get us two set of answers. One is when x is 4, y is 2, and z is fixed, it is a 0. And another set of answer is x equal to 2, y equal to 4, and z equal to 0. This is another set of values. This is the method of solving when matrices are given equal. I hope you understood how to solve the matrix equations when two matrices are given equal. Thank you, students.